Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to configure Logon banners in Windows Server 2025. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Now, just to quickly explain before we get on to the on-screen tutorial portion of this video, a logon banner is a message that appears before a user signs in to a Windows computer or server. Organizations often use it to display legal notices, warnings, or security reminders. And we can configure this through group policy. Let's jump on the computer. All right, so we're on our Windows Server 2025 domain controller. This is the primary server that we use for demonstration on this channel. Once here, we can hit the Windows Start key and find our Server Manager. You can always type and search it as well. And from Server Manager, we're going to go to Tools. From here, select Group Policy Management. I'll go ahead and maximize this so you guys can see. Now, we're going to expand our forest and domain until we see Group Policy Objects, which I already have highlighted here. Again, this is where we can create or edit policies that apply across the domain. So step 3 will be to create or edit a GPO. To do that, we'll right-click here. And let's click New. I'm simply going to name this Logon Banner Policy. I'll press OK. And we can see the Logon Banner Policy here. Let's right click and we'll click Edit. Okay, and then now we've got a separate menu coming up for our Group Policy Management Editor. We'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little easier. At this point, we can go ahead and configure our Logon Banner settings. We'll start under Computer Configuration. Under Policies, we'll click Windows Settings. Then we have Security Settings. If I click once on it, we can actually see it come up here. We're going to look now for local policies. So I'll double click into local policies. Security options is where we're going to land. So we'll click into this and we're looking for two policies here. The first one is titled Interactive Logon Message Title for Users Attempting to Log On. And this is sorted alphabetical. So if I expand this, maybe we can see this a little bit better. There we go. So again, we're looking for Interactive Logon message title for users attempting to log on. And that's what we see right here. So we'll double click this and I'll click define this policy setting. And then here I can simply type in warning and maybe I'll type in authorized users only, but we could type whatever message we would want. And then we also have a tab for explain over here. This is just explaining to us as the administrators what this policy will change. So I'll hit apply and I'll hit OK. Now the other one we talked about was message text for users attempting to log on. And it's right above it. So we'll double click into this, define this policy setting in the template. I'll make this one a little bit longer. We're going to type this system is for authorized use only. All activity may be monitored, something like that. I'll press apply and I'll hit OK. This is basically a title and a body text. That's why in the text I added a bit more of an explanation. We're going to go back to the Group Policy Management console so I can close this for now. Here we can see our Logon Banner Policy. At this point, we have to link this to the domain or the OU that contains the computers that we want to apply this to. And this is really easy. We're simply just going to drag this into the domain that contains the computers that we want to apply this to. Here we can see it says, do we want to link the GPOs that have selected this domain? We'll say yes. Next up, let's go to a client machine. So I'll close down this for now, open my virtual machine manager, and I'm going to go to a client server. All right, guys, so I'm loading up my Windows Server 2025 core machine. All right, guys, so I'm on my client machine here, which is a Windows Server 2025 core virtual machine, and this is joined to my domain controller. So from this client machine, I'm going to run gp update /force. This is going to update our, and once we see that that has completed successfully, let's go ahead and log out of our server. I'm going to go ahead and restart the server, and we'll see if that message appears upon login. All right, Windows is booting up. All right, we'll click to go ahead and log in here. And there we can see our authorization warning message that we have configured in group policy. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links in the description as well. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to know what those are. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.